Hey, thanks for coming to my channel again. In this video, this is the Graphing Calculator series of the Unity Playground. This is episode 3.4. And in this video, we've already set up the amplitude and frequency in different colors. We've got this X scanner moving back and forth. We're going to adjust the actual function that this is graphing. So to do that, go to the plotter script. In there right now, we've just got this mathf.sine of the frequency times the get x value times the amplitude. So let's extract this out into a different function, into a different procedure. Calculate y, and let's take this whole chunk of things and put that here. It's not a void, it's a float. My bad. And return this. Calculate y. So I replaced this calculation here with a call to a procedure that just returns that calculation. So it shouldn't be any mathematically different right now. It's loading, reloading that script, and it does the exact same graph. Good. But now we can go back to the script and we can either create other calculate y's, which I think we're going to do. Calculate y number 2. And in this one, we're going to do a different graph entirely. Okay, and calculate y2, let's do mathf.sine of frequency times xs.getValue times mathf.cosine of 201 times frequency times xs.getXValue times amplitude. Let's see what we get. Okay. Yeah, it looks really different right now. So in and of itself, it looks pretty crazy. It's got like a lot of jagged lines and seemingly no order to it at all. But if we go back to the X scanner and we adjust the step a little bit, it starts to take on a different nature. There's a 0.2. That doesn't look much different. 0.1. That looks very different. And if we go to 0.05, then what we're seeing is more of a pulsing sinusoidal thing. Let's go to 0.01. In fact, let's clear it out and go to 0.01. There we go. Now it's drawing a more complete picture. So that's a totally different function. And the cool thing is you can plug in whatever functions you want. So let's do another one. Okay, so here's an interesting one. I just made a new float, calculate y3, and I called that from up here. And instead of either of these functions, I did the mathf.sine of the mathf.cosine of the mathf.tan of the same x value, which is really the x value times the frequency. And then I multiplied the whole thing by the amplitude, and here's what you get. I've still got the step for the X scanner on 0.01 right now. It's pretty interesting. It takes a little loop, and then it scratches out some lines, and then takes another loop. Another little arch. So now I think you can use this to do whatever you want to do. You can plug in whatever kind of functions you want and see what happens. And I'd love to hear what kind of functions you add and get working in the comments below. Please let me know. Also, if you like this video, hit the like button below. And if you like videos like this, hit the subscribe button below. That way you can see more videos like this in the Unity Playground every time they come out. I appreciate you watching this video and all my other videos, and I look forward to seeing you in the next series. Thanks for watching.